Welcome to this video review, and today I'm going to talk about INNOMOUNT Docter side mount for Blaser called Slide Long. So INNOMOUNT is a company in Germany, and they started with the production of rifles. This is the reason why you still see in many places INNOMOUNT by Inno gun. And they have some really interesting rifles. Go check their webpage. They have a hybrid rifle, which is a mixed between a combination drop barrel rifle and a repeating rifle. Really innovative, really, I would say, interesting. But in the last decade or something like that, I think we sell their mounts for like 8-9 years already. I think that they made a much bigger success with their mounts than with their rifles, even though their rifles do deserve more attention, in my opinion, especially in the hunting segment in Europe, because they have really unique rifles, which, honestly speaking, I don't see much potential in the US for them, but in the Europe, definitely. European hunters hunt differently. But let's go to their mounts. So this mount is made to accommodate Docter sight footprint on a Blaser rifles, on all Blaser rifles. It goes on their repeating rifles, their break barrel rifles, express rifles, and so on, combination rifles. This mount goes on all of them. And on top, I would really encourage you to check our blog post about red dot sight footprints, because then you can read inside in that article which red dot sights go on this mount. Normally Noblex, Docter sights, the whole center is named by them, then Meopta, Vortex, and many others, because this is one of the most common footprint for red dot sights on the market. You immediately recognize this footprint by this four notches, or well, the positioning points for the red dot sights. Like with all INNOMOUNT mounts, you can see that they have this really unique clamping mechanism, which you cannot find anywhere else, just on INNOMOUNTs. And to move the lever, you have to push this rod to release it halfway, and then you release it fully with your hand. This system works really great, so it offers 100% repeatability, so you're able to remove the mount and put it back on and it will still hold zero. It's also, when it's locked, it's very safe, so it's impossible to unintentionally unlock it. And the setting of it, it's also quite easy. You just set it with these two screws. In the manual, they're not saying regarding the torque values, they just say that you have to feel resistance, but you still need to be able to close it with your hands without a problem. So I would say, when you're adjusting the clamping force of the mechanism, when you're still able to close it, then it's just right. When it's too hard, then you know that it's too much. You know, there are many mounts for Docter sight on Blaser, but a lot of them connect only to one connecting surface or one connecting points, and this is something what I think this INNOMOUNT has a big advantage, because it connects to all 4 points, so it's far more secure than those that connect only on one point. They do produce also the version which is called only Slide, which goes only on one connection point on a Blaser barrel. It's about 50 euros cheaper, I think. This one is around 250 euros. The Slide version is only 200 euros. But I would recommend this mount much more, because it's more secure. It's safer. It's better secured if you have all 4 connection points. The mount itself is around 10 centimeters long, 3 centimeters wide, and only 6 millimeter high. So this is the reason why there is Slide in a name, because it means that it's quite low. Okay, I think I came to the point where I can go through the sweet and sour of this mount. I think I speak about what could have been done better, what and what I really like. I share my opinion, what I like about this mount. And honestly speaking, in this particular instance, I have nothing to complain about. I don't see any room for improvement, almost, honestly speaking. When you speak about the materials, everything is made out of high quality aluminum, but all the connection points and the mechanisms and so are made out of steel. So this is perfect. I would say combination. Okay, the only room of improvement which I noticed just now is that they have these recoil stoppers in a form of screws inside, so this could be done out of single part, it would be even better. But honestly speaking, since red dot sights are really light and the mount is light, I'm sure you can mount this also on the highest and hardest kicking caliber in Blaser rifles and it will still work. I like the fact that it's really low. I like the fact how the build quality and fit and finish are on this mount. It's on the level you expect from INNOMOUNT. And well, basically I really like how it's made, and I think this is one of the best mounts for Docter sights on Blaser. Maybe it's a little bit bigger and it looks a little bit more robust than, let's say, original mounts, but all in all, I don't think that anyone would mind that its design, honestly speaking, or its aesthetic looks. So thank you for watching. If I forgot something, please use the comments below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you have any additional questions, also use the comments below or send us an email. And if you like our channel, please support us with subscribing to our channel, because it really means a lot to us and it helps us grow. Thank you.